Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to screen record on iOS or iPadOS. So first you're going to want to go to settings and go to control center. And then you're going to want to go down to more controls and tap the plus button on screen recording. To get to where the button is for screen recording, you're going to want to swipe down from the top right of your iPad or swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone. And to start the screen recording, you're going to want to press the button that I have my finger over right now. And to stop the screen recording, you're going to want to press the same button again. To get to the screen and to get to the microphone option where you turn on the microphone, you're going to want to long press on the screen recording button, and then you'll see an option for the microphone. And if you want to, you can use it with any different apps and stuff. Like, for some reason I have Gmail on there. I don't really know why. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.